Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this video, we'll explore the AI Plagiarism Checker, your go-to tool for ensuring your content is original and authentic. Now, to get started, just log into your dashboard, select the AI Plagiarism tool from the menu. This tool quickly analyzes your content to detect any potential overlaps with existing material. So, to do this is very simple. I'm going to use an example, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea by Jules Verne. Let's go ahead and I'll copy the first paragraph and a half, have it scan for plagiarism. Now this tool works with multiple formats, making it simple and flexible to use. So once your content is ready, click scan and it'll analyze the content. The AI will compare your text against a vast database of online sources. So as you can see, in seconds, you'll see a detailed report. Matches are highlighted and sources are provided, helping you address any concerns very, very quickly. Need to make changes? Use the built-in editor to rephrase sections and improve originality without leaving the platform. So when you're done, just download a detailed plagiarism report for your records or share with your team. Now, with the AI plagiarism checker, ensuring originality has never been easier. Log in now and let AI Toolkit Online help you create content you can trust.